Alavara Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Make sure you watch before using. Alavara is an enterprise-grade tax compliance software used by businesses to calculate, collect, and remit sales tax. It integrates with dozens of platforms like Shopify, NetSuite, QuickBooks, and all other important platforms, and automates tax rate updates, nexus tracking, and filling. Business using Alavara typically cite huge time saving once the system is set up. However, the onboarding is complex, not plug and play. Users with in-house finance teams say it's essential for multi-state or global operation. Smaller business, on the other hand, sometimes struggle with the cost or need for tech support. It's not for hobby sellers, it's for scaling businesses that needs airtight compliance.